Let us find out the current through galvanometer. Here, according to the problem, they are given four resistors. They are given the four resistors, and current through galvanometer flows from where to where we have to be find out. Suppose if the galvanometer is removed, what happens? If the galvanometer is removed, let us draw the circuit. The circuit diagram, how it becomes. Let us see. After removing the galvanometer, right, there's a point A, and next we have to draw the resistors, and let us consider the point C, and there's a point D. It is A to C one resistor and A to D another resistor, and again similarly C to B one resistor and D to D another resistor, and 3 ohms, 6 ohms, next 3 ohms and 6 ohms according to the problem it is. After removing the galvanometer, let's take R1, R2, next R3 and R4 it is. The 4 resistors are there. After removing the galvanometer, is R1 and R2, they are in series combination. So then we write R1 plus R2 is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 ohms. That is the upper branch. Next, if you look at the lower branch, R3 and R4, they are in series again. Then we write R3 plus R4 equal to 3 plus 6 equal to 9 ohms. In lower branch also 9 ohms it is. Upper branch is 9 ohms. So in both the branches, the resistance is same it is. In both the branches, resistance is same it is. In upper branch, resistance is 9 ohms. In lower branch, resistance is 9 ohms. If the resistance same, the current also divides equally. The current passes through each branch same it is. Current divides equally. The main current divides equally. That I1 in upper branch equal to I by 2, and I2 in lower branch I by 2. So it divides equally because of resistance I proportional to 1 by R. Because V equal to constant. In parallel, V constant according to Ohm's law. Then now let us see here. Let us take the 2 points. One point is C and D. Then from Ohm's law we apply. So C to B. C to B. So VC minus VB. So current flows from C to B. Right? So current always flows from higher to lower. So VC is higher and VB is lower. So VC minus VB equal to, apply the Ohm's law, I. How much current passes through that? I by 2, and its resistance is 3 ohms. And already I given. I is equal to how much? 3 amperes, main current. Substitute their main current value. 3 by 2 into 3 equal to 9 by 2 equal 4.5 we get. And the potential difference between C and B is 4.5 volts. Now let us take D to B. D is the lower, D is the higher and B is the lower. So VD minus VB equal to VDB. Apply the Ohm's law. Current passed through that is how much current passed through D to B? Is I by 2. I by 2 passes it is into R3. I by 2 current passes D to B. Then let us substitute. I main value is 3. 3 by 2 into R4 is a 6 it is. Then we get 18 by 2 equal to 9. So 9 volt means D to B is 9 volt. Potential difference C to B is 4.5. So then which is greater? So VDB is greater than VCB. So current flows from D to C through galvanometer. Current flows D to C through galvanometer. The current flows through galvanometer from D to C, means higher potential to lower potential. D to C.